All right. Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick tutorial so I don't have to do Miss Cassidy's hair 4 times for parent meetings. Also, I'm not gonna be actually spraying her hair with hairspray because she has to go to work later. So just use your imagination. You're gonna start with a ponytail. You want it in line with your ears. Okay, you only wanna leave like 3 or 4 inches of the front open. Then, just make it tight. I like to put 2 hair bows in there, and you're just gonna make a bun, just like a normal bun. And then do another hair tie. Make sure you leave a little tail out so it doesn't slide out, so the bun doesn't undo itself. I like to do one around the edge and then another one around the edge that also loops around the middle to keep it standing up. So around in between the 2 or even in the middle, so we got a little bit extra. Then you're gonna wanna spray the heck out of it. Again, I'm not gonna do that to hers today. She's gotta go to work. I like to use gel also. So you take like like a spray bottle of water and just spray the edges, and then have one of those little teasing brushes or combs, put gel on your fingers and slick all of this back on the back side too, and then brush it over the gel, just the little comb, brush it over the gel. That works great. And then I'd spray on top of that. And then you'll pull out your hairpiece. This one is the longer one that the older teams have, but it's the same kind of, whatever you call it. Same process with the shorter one. This is a different person's hairpiece, so it does not match her hair, so don't judge. But we wanted you to be able to see how to put it in. So, this one, take the front comb and you put it in the front of the bun and you just squish it in there, and then you put the bottom in and you squeeze it together. Most of them have a little drawstring. This one looks like it doesn't. But you take the drawstring, you pull it as tight as you can, take the slider, pull it as tight as you can, and I like to take the end of the drawstring and wrap it around. And then after you wrap it all the way around, you would take a bobby pin, and it would have like a little notch on the end that you'd slide it in like this on the end of the drawstring, and you'd wrap it in and tuck the bobby pin into the bun. But this one doesn't have a drawstring, so you just do the combs, and it does have the little netting. So you wanna put your bobby pin on the edge of the netting, stick it in there, and then stick it in her bun. And you'll do that all the way around. The more bobby pins, the better. I like to do a couple on the front side as well and stick them in that way. But that is pretty much. Oh, here's the drawstring. Found it. Just kidding. There it is. And you pull it, and then you pull it tight. Then you wrap it around. And again, you're gonna take the edge, this part that's tied together, and bobby pin in this little hole, and then wrap it. Continue to wrap it until you can't. Pull it tight. Come over here so you can see this on the other side. So you'll take the bobby pin and you'll just tuck it underneath the bun so you can get it nice and tight. And then again, you'll just bobby pin all the way through, all around. You'll pick up the ponytail, and you'll bobby pin underneath, all the way around. Again, you're just sticking it where you can stick it. If you put 1, put 2. So if I put 1 in straight, I'm gonna put 1 in and cross it with the one that I just put it in, so that they look like this. And they're gonna hold better that way. So every time you put 1 bobby pin in, try to put 2 in that same spot. And then after you get finished, and you feel like it's good, you're just gonna wanna spray the top of it. Just spray the top and you'll just slick it down. That way there's no crazy on the outside. Let me get a bow. Show you. Okay, this one already has it on here, but you would take the actual bow that's on the hair bow and you'll wrap this through and you'll pull it through itself so it makes another hair bow like that. So once you have that, you can leave it on all season because it won't fit over the ponytail. But you take the end one, you'll put the bow on the front, you'll wrap this tail all the way around. Oops. All the way around. And then you'll take it over here, the extra hair bow, and you'll put it around the entire bow. Put the whole bow inside that hair bow. Then it sits on the front, just like that. And then you can just touch up with any spray after you're done, but if you gel it at the beginning, you won't have to respray much at all. And I just like to brush the ends so that it looks good. But after that, that's basically it. You're all done. Pretty easy. But thanks. Bye. Say bye, honey.